Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into why the COMESOON elevated dog bowls might just be the best elevated pet feeding station on the market right now. Whether you're a new pet parent or someone who's been around the block with large breeds or tiny pups, this feeder may very well be the last one you'll ever need to buy. Let's start with the big picture. This product is designed to grow with your dog, literally. This stand brings the bowls closer to your dog's mouth, helping them maintain better posture and reducing strain. If your dog tends to vomit or struggle with bloating while eating, this setup might actually reduce those issues dramatically. And for anyone with a messy eater, yes, we see you. This helps keep food and water off the floor and away from dust and debris. Let's talk about the construction. The base is made from durable ABS plastic, and it comes with two thickened stainless steel bowls, each with a hefty 50 ounces capacity. These bowls are significantly sturdier than your average metal dishes and are dishwasher safe. So, while you're getting long-term durability, you're also getting effortless cleanup. The stand also has a very clever design feature. The raised edges around the bowl holders make it easy to lift them out without needing to push them up from the bottom. That might seem like a small detail, but if you've ever struggled to remove a wet or heavy bowl without spilling, you'll appreciate how thoughtfully this was made. And let's not forget one of the most practical perks: it's foldable and travel-friendly. The legs collapse easily, so you can store it compactly or take it with you when you're on the go. Whether it's a weekend camping trip or a visit to grandma's, your dog's feeding station doesn't have to be left behind. Another highlight? The anti-slip design. There are rubber grips on the bottom of the legs and noiseless rubber edges around the bowl holders. This ensures that even the most enthusiastic eaters won't end up pushing the bowls across the room. Plus, it keeps your floors scratch-free. COMESOON really focused on user experience with this model. From the ergonomic comfort for pets to the convenience for owners, every detail feels intentional. This feeder isn't just functional, it's stylish too. Its sleek black finish gives it a modern aesthetic that blends seamlessly into your home. To wrap things up, the COMESOON elevated dog bowls offer adjustability, durability, comfort, and a whole lot of convenience packed into one product. It's ideal for multi-pet households, dogs with health conditions, and owners who appreciate quality that lasts. If you're ready to upgrade your pet's mealtime experience, this might just be the perfect pick. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you don't miss out on our next review. Drop your thoughts or questions about this product in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.